Hey guys, good morning. I'm EDC Gunner and I'm coming to you from Munich. Munich. Don't know what you call it in English. München. Yeah, this is the heart, one of the biggest cities in Germany. It's the capital of Bavaria. Yeah, it's a very large city and it's also very cold. It's like minus 10 degrees right now. And yeah, I just wanted to show you around a little bit of a city, and maybe you want to see some of the scenery and hopefully you will enjoy it. I've been told this is the Marienplatz, so like a walking area, and yeah, I don't know, just wanted to show you around a little bit, and yeah, that's it guys. So I'm gonna take you on a little walking tour. I'm gonna try to find some vintage watch stores. I found one, but the guy was pretty rude, and his partner who sells watches wasn't around, so he didn't really care to show me. But yeah, this is it. It's pretty much the same like most of the European cities. You won't find too much difference, but yeah, it's very beautiful. Architecture is stunning, and sorry about the noise. It's one big construction site. If you look at the city skyline, you will see a ton of these guys over there. I forgot what you call this. Cranes, yeah. We will see a ton of cranes, and yeah. What else? I see here Louis Vuitton up there. I need to check it out, and lots of Chanel, and I think I saw a Cartier somewhere. So yeah, but first I will take you on a little walk around as far as my hand is able to cope with the minus 10 degrees of Celsius. So yeah, that's not very ideal. Anyways, this is a Christ watch store. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check it out later. See some Uhren, because that's what the Deutschers, German folks, are calling watches. They're calling it Uhren. So yeah, but first let me take you to go on a little virtual walk. So hopefully you will enjoy it and like it. So in a larger city, everywhere you look, there's a construction site and it's something being built. But yeah, so far I like it, except for the cold, of course. That's really a deal breaker. I need to switch my hands because this one is going numb on me. And recently on the traffic light stop, the gentleman approached me asking me where he can find a Bayern München fan shop, and I told him I don't know. I'm not a fan of Bayern München. Actually, I don't really like them, and but I think I found it. I pointed him in this general direction, and I can see over there by München sign. So he said, "What's your team?" I said, "Arsenal." He guessed it was Man City. I said, "No, my team is Arsenal." So yeah, I wasn't really impressed. But what can I say? I'm not really a fan of very much. I'm not gonna walk with you the entire city because I'm not really sure how much cold can I take. So here, this is the Bayern München fan store. Trying to remember which one of my friends is a fan so I can buy them a little souvenir gift. But usually folks who are the fans of Bayern München are not my friends. Anyways, most of you Americans don't even know what I'm talking about, but it's okay. It's a football thing. It's a football thing. There's a lot of watchtowers here, and every one of them is showing the correct time. I checked it on several occasions. This is I'm already 2 weeks here, and every one of them is showing the correct time. Here we have Bookerer, and I'm gonna have to check out the display just a little bit for you watch guys. Here we have Bookerer. Let's see what do they have here. Some nice reversals. Nice reversals. I have the Grand 8, but I think I might opt for the... Wow, the prices. The prices are crazy on this. Huh. Last Original. One of the Deutschers said me I'm correct guy. And here we have some Cartiers. Some Cartiers, Tudors, and Breitlings over here. Very cool. Okay. And here, of course, we have a special Rolex window dedicated just for them. Because this is certified pre-owned here, exported black. Kind of looks worn. Not really sure. Yeah, well, that's it. So you can check out the prices for the Deep Sea Dweller, 14,820 and 14,500 euros, of course. I don't know. Lately I've been I'm a digest guy and not at all a Rolex guy. I like things like those reversals here. Yeah, reversals. Where's my sweet spot? Check out this guy. Check out the fact this one is huge. So yeah, here there's a nice Straße, and I know a lot of you guys will appreciate this. This is my little thank you and trying to show you the cities of the Europe, and I know for a fact that some of you appreciate it. It's a long flight from US to Europe, and also I would appreciate if you would show some of the cities where you live. I don't live here, I'm just visiting, but yeah, it's not bad. I like big cities. I just don't like the Just don't like there's another Christ jeweler here. I saw some Donjin in there and Rados and whatnot. And Tissos. Yeah. And what else can I show you? Check this out, guys. Isn't this magnificent? I wish I can show you this in real life. This is huge. It's beautiful. I want to take a selfie here. I really do. So, this is just a little small part of the town, and I'm gonna go up to there, and I think I'm gonna wrap this up because it's cold and I'm constantly switching hands. But yeah, it's minus 10 degrees Celsius. I don't know what's that in American Fahrenheit numbers, but it's freaking cold. Yeah. Let me see if I'm all red. Yeah, very, very cold. Yeah, beautiful. Fortunately, this winter has some teeth to it, and some other winters are. Last winter was pretty mild, and this one is freaking cold. Anyways, I forgot my gloves. That's the problem. If I had my gloves, I could do this forever for you guys. But right now, yeah. Okay, I knew it was worth it to go over there. There's a little place here. Some angel. There's plenty of things to see here in Munich, and plenty of things. On my right here, I draw like half an hour to get here to the center, and you can see just on the drive here too many things. And check this guy. Check this out, guys. Isn't this gorgeous? It's just awesome. And wherever you look, you can see something nice here, up there. I can go down there and I can show you something nice. And here you have a concert. Beautiful. And wherever you go, you can see another clock tower, bunch of clock towers, and they all show the correct time. So I'm really amazed. There are clock towers in my country, but it's hit or miss. Some of them do show correct time, some of them do not. So yeah. Another clock tower, and yeah, I don't want to make this too long of a video, Lots of Germans are driving bikes, even in this cold, and they're driving kids in it. I don't know what to say, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go just a little bit more. I switched hands, so I can do it now. See, Marienplatz. It's the same in Austria as well, in Vienna. Yeah, these are some brave folks in the, I don't know, in short, Lederhosen, what you call it. It's a traditional German thing. It's amazing. Oh, there's some crazy Germans defying the winter. Yeah, it's not really that cold, but once you get walking, but holding a phone in the wind. Oh, I'm not complaining. Hope you guys will enjoy this, and yeah.
Also vom Internet aus war das, ich glaube,
Okay, guys. Oh, I need to show you this image. Let me just show you this. Check this out. Beautiful. And yeah, with this, I'm gonna let you guys go. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this a little bit. So see you guys.